Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick update on my gigging light setup for floundering. So basically you can use whatever light you'd like to use, but I'll leave the link down in the description below for the two types that I use, which is right over here. These are the two that I recommend. This one right here with the 8 LEDs and this one with the 4 LEDs. This is the back. And getting back to the build. So basically I have my LED light. Most of these lights already come with the mounting hardware. Then I have basically 3 end caps. So this one here, this end cap here, and this one right here. And this is a 3/4 inch PVC. And basically if you buy the 10-foot at the store, hardware store like Lowe's, Home Depot, you can build 2 of these. And I have basically a 45-degree angle elbow right here and a junction box, and that's it. And then this right here allows you to turn it on and off and connect your Dewalt battery to it, so you can check the battery life and turn it on and off. So to release it, you just push on this button right here. That slides out. And then I have these adapter mounts too that I bought online. I believe these are like around $10 to $12 for a 2-pack. So again, this will be down in the description below. But all I did was mount it with the screws. Then I drilled some little holes to feed the negative and positive into this box right here. And then I fed the line all the way, I think I have a 16 gauge line right there. So I did have to cut those about 5 feet and run it all the way down and connect it here. And then I actually used some clear caulking waterproof sealant just on the hole that I made right there. So that's pretty much it on this build right here. So this is the battery that I'm using. It's a 20-volt Dewalt battery, but you have about 2 hours of quality brightness with one of these, and I have 2 of these, so I have 4 hours of gigging time with this setup right here. All right, finally got the gigging lights set up and out and running. I'm out here in this nice calm low tide.
I got one finally, yay. Has to be 12 inches and you can only keep 10 per person.
Horseshoe crab. That's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.